Welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates, and I will show you the methods as well. So the first thing I will tell in this video that the good thing is there are many people who DM me on Instagram and telling me that they are earning with Fiverr affiliates with my methods. So thank you very much first of all. And the second thing I will show in this video that you can promote your affiliates, Fiverr affiliates with free landing pages, cause in the most cases we need landing pages, because without landing pages, if we promote some affiliate links, so the most chances are high that the other platform will get banned you. So we will not take a risk. Check my in my playlist, so you will know that how you can create your free landing page for your affiliate links. The good thing is in affiliate marketing that you no need to give services to direct to client. You will just need to promote your affiliate links, the other freelancers gigs on some other places, and the people, whenever they click on the link with your affiliate link, they will buy a service and you will get commission. So this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. So the good thing is you no need to do anything. If you haven't joined the Fiverr affiliates program, so you can check link in the description. You will click over there and it will redirect to Fiverr affiliates and you can join absolutely free. So guys, I am on my dashboard and you can see over here. So this is my earning that I have already told you about. I will show you my earning. So this is my earning, and let's move to the method first, but I will show you the overview of Fiverr affiliates if you are new. So guys, I have pasted the link in my description. You will click and you will be here, and first of all we will check the commission plan quickly. That will be a quickly. So you will see over here Fiverr Pro 150, Industrial 50, and Website Builder CMS 40, means $40, $30, $25 for this category, and $15 for other category. So mostly I promote Fiverr Pro gigs, or actually I promote Fiverr Pro and this one, Website Builders and CMS, and mostly I do promote SEO services. So that will be up to you. You can promote graphic designing services as well. If you are new, I will suggest you to not go for the highest commission, and you will just focus on the commission sales first, and then you will click over here on the join button. You will click on the join button and you will put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. Then you will put do you have a main source of traffic. You will write over here like you will click over here yes or no, so that will be your choice. Country, English or any language, or you will put your Skype ID. You can create free Skype ID and then you will click on next. That's it. After that guy, you will go to the Reddit. Okay, you will create a free account over here, absolutely free, and after that you will go to the search bar and you will write over here. I have written best SEO on Fiverr. I have clicked over here, and you will scroll down and you will find people who want to get services for SEO. So you will just need to give them answer with your with your landing page link. Okay, so I have created a video on a landing page link, so you can watch it, but I will show you in this video how you will create how you will write for landing pages. I'm not going to show you landing pages, but will tell you how you can write for it. So after that you will find some person, for example, how do you get on. I will see over here, is there person wants some SEO services. So can SEO services, okay, so you earn more Fiverr SEO skills. Okay, so over here you will see that anyone has experience with Fiverr SEO, backlinks, traffic booster. So you will click over here on the comment section and you will give him the give them the answer and you will put your landing pages link. So now I'm going to show you how you can write for your landing page. Guys, go to the Google and write a writer over there. It says it's absolutely free AI tool. You will click over here, and after that you will click over here, and it will give you the dashboard, absolutely free, and you will create amazing things over here. You can write blog idea, blogs, a brand name, business idea, and different thing, but we are going to promote actually write for blogs. So SEO on page on Fiverr top rated. For example, I'm going to show you. So I have already created this one. So over here you will know that within a seconds, within a minute, they will generate a sorry, this one. Okay, I'm going to click over here again, and it will give us a new article for this. So we will put that article on landing pages, and we will put the link over there. So it has given us this article. You will read first, and then you will paste in your landing pages link. So this is absolutely good thing, and the unique article is in front of you with a free tool. And after that you will just need to copy that article. For example, I'm going to copy that article. I'm not reading this article because this is just a random example, but you will write over here, and you will find some mistakes. You can generate another article. You will go to the Google sites, and then you will click over here blank. It's a free site, Google sites. Okay, you can put your eye-catchy picture over here. You will put your title over here. You can generate title as well on writer AI tool. Click over here on the text box, and you will paste over here the article, and then you will put your affiliate link. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you will put your affiliate link. Guys, then you will go to the Fiverr where people are giving services. This is not Fiverr affiliates dashboard. This is Fiverr simple dashboard where people making the gigs and give the services. So because we will pick the freelancer, and we will promote the freelancer as well. So I'm going to click over here for the United States dollar, in the United States dollars. So first thing you will understand, whenever you going to promote Fiverr gigs, Fiverr affiliate gigs. So the first thing you will understand that the person should be rating in 5 or 4.9 or 4.7 at least with the good reviews. So user will be more attracted. So what you will do, you will just need to take a screenshot of this gig or this gig or this gig, or you can take a screenshot with 3 these gigs or 4 these gigs or 6 or 7 gigs. For example, I am going to take a screenshot of this one, and then I will take a for example, I have taken the screenshot of this screen, and then I will go click over here, and I will just need to click over here and copy the link, and then I will move to my dashboard, my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and we will change the link within Fiverr affiliate links. Okay, so the person giving the services is, the rating is so good, reviews is so good, 13 orders in queue, so the people will be more attractive because the person is in high ranking level 2 seller. So we will focus on the level 2 seller, so the chances will be higher. So guys, I have copied the link from there, and then I'm going to paste over here. I will paste the link over here, then I will uncheck the link. If I check the link will be in the longer way, and if I uncheck the link will be get shortened. Simple. And then you will copy the link, right? And after that we will go to the article which we have generated. For example, I will paste the affiliate link in the 3 sections in here. For example, here, this is just a random example. Okay, So keywords, the best headline and blog post head generator. For example, I'm going to take this one is the okay. So I will put over here, I will put the affiliate link over here and apply. Right now this is become affiliate link. If I click over this link, it will redirect me to that specific gig. Okay, so you will create multiple you can create multiple affiliate links with affiliate services. For example, I have already told you about how you can do this. So in the further more in depth, I will show you how you can make your article. So for example, this article you are in front of you, you can write this type of article with the writer tool, and after that you will put one image over here, and then you will put your affiliate link over here. Okay, then the second gig, you will take a screenshot from that second gig, you will put the gig image over here and affiliate link over here. Okay, so you can create one blog for Medium as well. Okay, Medium is a very big website with a huge traffic from United States, and Reddit is a very big website as well with United States traffic. Okay, so you will get results 100%, and you can use Quora as well. If you don't know about Quora, you can check my playlist, so you will know about how you can question and answer website is Quora, and how you will give them answers on targeted audience, and the traffic will be landing on your landing page. This is the method which I have discovered in few days ago, and I got results. If you do the same, so there will be a higher chances you will get results as well. Hope this video will become very helpful for you. If you like this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel. Take care and bye bye.